million-dollar question. Where is the wrap? I guess I'll just have to explain that today in today's video where that wrap is. Oh man, another day of Mannheim. Man, they got this thing all got tinted tail lights, some red calipers, which we also painted our rotors red. So tires aren't flat. I'll take our pictures when we get out to the truck. But anyways, million-dollar question, where's the wrap? So the wrap's still coming. I did drop the trailer off to the gentleman who was taking care of the wrap. I'll just hold you guys. And he's a family friend of ours, and he also has a full-time job that's not the wrap part of what he does. So he just got a little busy, got a little overwhelmed. So he did get the design done and all the measurements and everything he needed. All he has to do is like laminate it and then put it on the trailer. So the next time I use the enclosed for a couple days, or maybe even this weekend while I'm out of town and don't need the trailer, we can get it put on. So that's where it was. So it'll get on. I'm just I needed the trailer. He said he could have like had it like another day or two and could have had it done, but I was getting too far behind, and I can't risk, you know, upsetting my customers. But take a look at this. That's a nice dually there. Anyways, let's get these loaded up. No wonder places hate truck drivers. People just freaking leave their trash everywhere. It's hydraulic oil all over the ground over there. There's a bucket there. Straps everywhere. We got 3 SUVs to get, so we're gonna have to put the smallest one up top, which is no big deal. All the way forward with that one. Got a Lexus and a Toyota Highlander, so we'll do the Lexus next, and then the Highlander's probably the biggest out of them all. This place isn't too busy. I was able to walk right up and get a shuttle, so I'll take that. Try not to fall off this trailer, but get in and out of here pretty quickly today. All right, so we put number 2 backed onto the trailer, but this is what I wanted to show. Anytime a dry van rolls into Mannheim, you know something sketchy is about to happen, and you better get your camera out. I was wondering what all that noise was coming from back there. Oh man, that wasn't very flattering. Another morning. Just dropping this Escalade off quick. It's my last of this order for one dealership. They had 8 cars, 8 cars. My last one. I had to run down here this morning anyways, so I'm gonna drop this off and head down the road to Mannheim Fredericksburg to pick up 2 pickup trucks for my buddy. Trying to, well, I want my mount. That ain't gonna work. Anyways, I'm gonna run down there and pick up 2 trucks, and I'm supposed to be in Ohio today, but it didn't make sense to drop this trailer, hook up to another one, run to Ohio, come back, hook up this trailer. So I'm just gonna get the car work done and then hook up to the other trailer and get other work done. So didn't make sense to just switch trailers around. I'm just checking out these tires. I thought I had one that had a slow leak, but I think it was just the way I was parked in the lot, putting a lot of weight on the one tire. Anyways, So stay tuned, we'll see what we can get into today. It's a nice day. And this place ain't open yet, so we just night drop them. Remember when I stuffed one of these in an enclosed trailer? This one's kind of beat up. Big dent there, out there. Bunch of scratches over here. I like the interior on this thing though. As you know, I'm a sucker for brown interior. So I bought my wife a white car with brown interior, but we'll set you guys down here. We'll get this unloaded. I didn't realize this bumper's all popped out too. Dang, this thing's kind of beat. Anyways, not my problem. You know, it's another day, another auction. Oh, I'm really getting tired of this mask thing, but it is a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees right now. I think this is one of ours. 2500. Yeah, this is ours. Ooh. Ooh. Wonder if he wants to sell me that. Because I doubt he'll sell it with the truck. I won't take the trash, but I'll take the fifth wheel. I was just getting in these Chevy trucks really makes me want to get mine together, and we do have update on that. We're gonna get that put back together, but I'm probably just gonna buy an engine for it, drop a whole motor down in it. That one that's in, it's got 250,000 on it, so try to find a low mile engine, drop it in it. You know, got another truck now with the Dodge, so it's like, you know, I have a daily truck around the house, and just put a crate motor in that Chevy and make it leave it as a workhorse. All right, we got another truck to find. We're gonna use this one to drive around and find it, so catch up with you guys soon. This is the second one, 05. I got a 13 here. We're gonna get our ramps out, and we're in Fredericksburg, so that means Chipotle. Chipotle's right down the road. So I'm just gonna run up the road in this green one, blue, green, whatever you call it. I'm gonna run up there and get Chipotle. I already ordered it, and we'll load this one up quick because we've got a couple minutes, and then we'll load this one up when we get back. Alright, here's one for you guys. Got this Ford in front of us. Got the GoPro up as a dash cam. We're in, I call it cattle chute, but they got a barrier. And then you got a guardrail, another barrier on the right side. So you're packed in here like cattle. But that's not what we're talking about. This truck, this car hauler here in the right lane, you'll see here in just a second. It's got this, is that an Armada? Yeah, it's an Armada on the back. On flip outs. And it's hitting bumps so hard, the bumper of the Armada is hitting the ground. Whoever gets that car's not gonna be very happy when they see that damage to the rear bumper. I saw it hit and I saw sparks and was wondering what that was. Well, there's my explanation. Man, look what I pulled out of the weeds. Still for sale. Someone come buy it. Anyways, I got mud flaps to put on. You guys know I'd been going back and forth about painting full fenders, and yes, I'm gonna get them painted. Painted white to match the truck. They should look pretty good. They're still sitting over there, but in the meantime, we're gonna set these out. These are a little long. I think these are 30-inch ones, and they would drag the ground too much, so we're just gonna, they already got holes up there, we're just gonna cut them across here somewhere, get a tape measure out and see see what kind of clearance we have and just use them for the meantime. I think I paid like 15 bucks a piece or something at Love's for these. Really nothing special to them. Oh, there's a lonesome ride to Ohio. Gotta pick up empty cable reels. Not really sure what I'm getting myself into. It's for a family friend of ours. A whole bunch of stuff for them, and he could send one of his own guys, but it's easier just to send me. So yes, our binders are secured in the stake pockets. I don't have any room in the toolbox because I shoved all my straps in there, so I strapped them down. I hate when people do that and let them sit free, because if they bounce out, that's really going to hurt somebody. But we've got them strapped in there. And this goes to Sandusky, Ohio, and then we pop out to Toledo and pick up the reels and come home. So honestly, that's probably going to do it for today and yesterday. I don't think I put this probably be a 2-day video. There's a lot going on. Just dealing with a lot of stuff, good stuff, just busy stuff. And come on, and there we go. Trying to figure all this stuff out with J&J Transport. If you saw that on my main channel, that's, you know, shame on Central Dispatch, but we'll see how that all plays out. We'll make a whole video on that once we have some more answers. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.